Hey guys, it's Sam with 2Ams and welcome to this exclusive Rough Cut. I'm so excited because here on Rough Cut, maririnig natin ang raw talent ng mga favorite artists natin. And for today, yung guest natin actually. Na-interview ko na siya before, pero first time niya dito sa Rough Cut. So I'm very, very excited to welcome Josh Callan!
Hey, what's up? Kamusta?
Nice to meet you.
Oh, nice to meet you talaga.
Dito sa Rough Cut. It's been a long time.
Yeah.
So, kamusta ka naman?
Ito, di na nagpapahinga. Hindi kasi, ngayon, lately, been really doing music non-stop. So, while doing, syempre, my activities with the group, talagang sinisiksik ko yung passion ko rin when it comes to creating my own craft.
Yeah, crazy, no? Kasi naalala ko for Wild Tonight. Ako pa yung nag-host nung release party mo. It's been over a year since then. And grabe, I can see nga non-stop ka with your solo activities, group activities din. So, grabe, paano mo nababalance lahat niyan? Ano bang secret ng isang Josh ko?
Parang may triple jobs, to be honest. And then, well, siguro di ba nga yung kasabihan na pag gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, gagawa mo ng time or bibigyan mo talaga ng oras. And for me, yun talaga yung naging, wala namang sikreto, pero yun talaga, ipupush mo yung sarili mo to do these things ng sapilitan and of course, time management. Kailangan talaga, kahit inaanto ka pa, mabangon na ako para, okay, may deadline ako. Sa sarili ko lang, kahit sa sarili ko lang may deadline ako, ganun.
See guys, kung kailangan nyo ng sign, ito na yun. Diba? If you need the push, yun na yun. If kaya ni Josh, kaya din natin, diba? Of course.
Kaya.
Yes, pero first time mo dito sa Rough Cut. So, magpapasample ka din, of course.
Okay.
Yes.
So, sige na nga.
Okay, ano ba yung isa-sample mo?
Yoko na.
Ayaw mo na mag-sample?
Yoko na. Uwi na ako.
Uwi na pala siya. Grabe. No, but excited na ako for this release kasi it's a collab din. So, ready ka na ba?
Yes, sige.
Okay.
Alam mo, sana hindi ko makalimutan yung lyrics ko.
I believe in you.
Papalayo sa'yo, paalam na nalilito ako. Wala na ba, papalayo sa'yo, bahala na. Sino mo naman na mag-DS, paulit-ulit lang. Okay.
Hey! I love it! Oh my God. Actually, na-excite ako nung sinabi mo, ito yung gusto mong gawin for Rough Cut. Because nakita ko nga yung post mo before. Kasama mo si Al James. Tapos yung caption mo, banding lang. Gano'n. Sabi ko, banding lang ba? Or may something, di ba? Like collab. And finally, you have shared it with all
finally.
of us. So, paano ba nangyari to? Yung collab ninyo?
Well, siguro biglaan lang siya. Kasi ginagawa ko yung track. Then, habang nagsusulat ako and parang may mga kasama kasi ako together to produce the track. Nagbe-brainstorm. Nung nasa akin na and parang dinadigest ko lahat, na-realize ko yung nagawa naming part sa first verse. Sabi ko, medyo mababa yung kuha ko dito Sino ba ang perfect? Tapos naisip ko agad si Al James. Sabi ko, yung parang, okay, naisip ko agad, siya yung perfect na parang kakolab ko to fit the song. Yun, sabi. Then, kinonta ko agad siya. Kami nag-Instagram messages, gano'n. Tapos, go agad siya. Parang nagulat niya ako na parang, siguro, a few days before the recording, na agad siya. Game na siya. Tapos, ayun, sumulat na siya ng part niya and all. Tapos, nirecord na namin on the spot. And, ayun, finally, nakapag-produce kami ng ganitong kagandang track, di ba?
Yeah, that's very exciting kasi naalala ko before, parang you wanted to do collabs with other artists din. And syempre, alam ko, ganun din yung music taste mo, di ba? Very like, you love those kinds of music din. And finally, nakagawa ka din with Al James mismo. And
I'm a fan of, syempre, hip-hop talaga ever since. Yung influences ko mostly naglalaro sa gano'n. Yan, tipong, okay, nandito ako sa pop Kaya gano'n, lagi kong iniisip na, kailangan ko mag-release ng mga pop music, gano'n. Well, as much as I love pop, iba pa rin. Kaya parang lagi ako hinahatak ng hip-hop pabalik minsan na, hindi, kailangan ko gumawa ng ganitong tracks para masatisfy ko siguro yung, alam mo yun, yung passion mo doon.
For sure. And doon naman papunta talaga like with your tracks, slowly nag-evolve siya from pop to parang mas nagiging hip-hop siya. And very complementary yung mga boses ninyo. Like you and also Al James. I think such a perfect track, especially for the summer, di ba? Parang yung vibe niya is light, it's fun, ganyan. So, kwento ka naman about yung song mismo. Sabi mo nga, sinusulat mo siya. Like, how did that start?
Siguro, ayun nga, I wouldn't say na for me lang naman. Cliché na parang puro love songs and all. Bakit hindi naman heartbreak na ayoko na? Parang something like that. Ayoko na, wala na, fed up na ako, ganon. So, para, wala akong hugot ganon.
Siya yung nag-clarify, wala akong sinabi.
Para ano lang, siguro yun lang yung pinaka-point nun, na gusto ko lang sabihin na, how would I tell a person na ayoko na. Yun. So, doon ko na binuhos lahat din.
Oh, taray. Pero true naman yun. Minsan, sa mga relationships, may point naman talaga na napapaisip ka and sabihin mo na, ayoko na talaga.
Pero hindi ako ganong klase na I would hate someone as talaga, matindi. Parang lang naman, it's a creative way of saying it, di ba?
Actually, oo, that's true. Hindi naman, like, for example, pag ako ayoko na, hindi naman ako makapagsulat ng isang kanta, di ba? So, it's cool that you were able to. And, I mean, based naman siya, like, on real-life experience, I mean, like, experience of other people din. Nangyayari naman talaga yun. But in that way, kahit na yung, di ba, yung experience ng pagsabi ng ayoko na, it seems like a sad, hateful, parang way. Pero masaya yung kanta. Which is,
kasi diba? Yun, di ba, yung essence nga, no, parang kikreate ka ng something na negative in a way, or mas malakas yung hugot, pero you would still be able to jive, di ba, and vibe.
Grabe, that's how he gets us, you know? You just have to vibe to it talaga. Kasi nangyayari naman talaga siya. But excited na din kami, syempre for the music video of Ayoko Na. Syempre, collab ninyo, di ba?
Yes,
so,
of course.
Kwento ka naman a little bit about the music video.
About the music video? Well, medyo siya. Siguro, sige, sabihin ko yung plot, pero hindi ko sabihin yung twist.
Oh, go, of course.
Ano lang, well, medyo straightforward. It was about me and a girl na parang, ayun nga, siguro kahit na ayaw ko na sa kanya, pero I would still look at her na parang medyo frustrated ka pa rin na, syempre, mahal mo pa yung tao, di ba? Sinusundan mo pa rin. Tapos, ayun, and syempre, nandun si Al James together with me na, well, basically, para ako siyang best friend, ganon. And, well, hindi ko masyadong ginawang complicated yung storyboard nito, more on aesthetic, more on, siguro, visual aids for the lyrics, straightforward. However, merong isang malaking plot twist at the ending and the start of the video. So, siguro, hindi ko na sabihin lahat. Ano niya lang, sila na rin mag-figure out.
Panoorin nyo guys para malaman ninyo. Ano ba yung plot twist na yun? I mean, I wanna know how it ends also. So, panoorin natin yung music video. And excited na kami sa lahat pa ng gagawin mo. Sabi mo nga, you're really trying to find yung parang sound mo bilang Josh Con, like as your own artist talaga. So, ano pa pwede naming abangan coming from you? Are there certain things na gusto mo pang gawin?
Of course, of course. For this year, I'm planning to, syempre, to release a full album. Full album, kung
Round
kakayanin, kung kakayanin. Pero, hindi ko nasasabihin kung anong month.
Yeah, sure, no pressure.
No pressure kasi medyo, alam niya naman, hindi na tayo natutulog. Pero,
at least honest.
Kung hindi ko kakayanin na full album, siguro at least, yung EP parang kayang-kaya. So, ipupush ko pa rin yung album.
I love that attitude, no? Pero sana naman makatulog ka every now and then. Rest is also important, diba? So,
yes.
I hope you get to rest as well. But before I let you go, may message ka ba sa mga nanonood and also everybody who's been supporting you?
Hello everyone. Hello BBQs, 18, and syempre mga tao sa Mix who's watching right now. Salamat po talaga sa inyong suporta. And of course, I would like to promote Ayoko Na. It's available on all music platforms and digital platforms. Kaya naman po, sana magkita-kita tayo soon. Malay nyo, makasalubong kayo sa daan o kaya sa mga events. Ayun po, kita-kits.
Gusto mo makasalubong sa daan?
Diba?
Why not?
Kasi madalas ako mga quick, barbecue, gano'n.
Literal na daan talaga.
Sa kanto talaga, gano'n.
Gusto ko, akala ko na, pag namamasyal ka.
Tapos kinakikita ko, sasabihin sa akin, Josh! Ay, Kumakain ako.
Yes! Why not, diba? Enjoy the simple things. Pero, thank you so much for joining us here on Mixclusive Rough Cut. Everybody, huwag niyo kalimutan i-stream ang bagong collab ni Josh Cullen as well as Al James, which is called Yoko Na, available on your favorite music digital streaming platforms. Very perfect for the summer. And of course, make sure to check out its music video. So once again, thank you, Josh, for joining us. And thank you as well to everybody tuned in. Once again, this has been Samu 2Ms and Josh Cullen. Thank you, everybody.